welcome back to my channel. Music is a part of my everyday life. It is my stress reliever. So in saying that, a device that will enable that everyday experience is very important to me. So have you heard about RAYCON? I'm pretty sure you have. So stay tuned as we unbox this RAYCON Everyday Earbuds Pro in silver white. So the box itself is sleek and completely sealed, and I've mentioned this a lot of times in my videos that I love it when they're completely sealed. So that's how it looks like. This is obviously the quick start guide. Their sticker. And look at this. Their accessories are nicely labeled. How cool is that? So we have here the USB-C charging cable. There. And then their tips, their ear tips. So they have few sets of memory foam tips and gel tips for you to experience performance fit and customize your comfort. So how cool is that? It's actually nicely thought that they've done it that way, to be honest. And then obviously there, hang on, let me just take this one out, is their wireless charging capsule. It is actually, the feel is nice and sleek and it's quite light. So it's how it looks like. And at the bottom, and when you open it, can you see the label? It's labeled left and right, so you won't really miss which one is which. And I'm pretty sure, let's have a look on each earbud. So let's check. So actually the earbuds it's also labeled left and right as well. So it's really good that they've done it that way. And that's how it looks like. As you've seen before, they have several memory foam tips and gel tips for you to customize your fit, personalize your fit, and customize your comfort. So that's how it is. And let's just quickly put them back. So that's the right, that's the left. So that's how it looks like again. So this RAYCON Everyday Earbuds Pro has got a hybrid active noise cancellation and awareness mode. It has got a charging time of 1.5 hours. The call and play time is about 10 hours and the total play time is about 40 hours. It also has got a high performance microphone, so it is really cool. So I will gonna leave the product link in the description box below, and please do read the quick start guide before operating these devices so it's easier for you to operate it. And I really can't wait to use them. So what are you waiting for? Power up your everyday with your Everyday Earbuds Pro. That's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.